Hello and welcome to Erwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing this, and no, it's not a pizza. It's an induction double hob. It's the Klarstein VariCook Induction double hob. And here it is. The Klarstein VariCook ceramic double hob. As you can see, it comes with two hubs and controls here in the front. It also has safety features such as a child safety lock, as well as an automatic turn off after 2 hours, so you don't have to worry about any accidents. More safety in the kitchen is always a good thing. The hobs itself can be set in 6 stages each, and there's also a timer function, so it will switch off automatically, so it can switch off when you need it to switch off. And that timer can be set in 5-minute increments. The hob's temperatures range from 60 to 240 degrees Celsius each. Another amazing feature is that the hobs themselves have automatic suitable pot size detection, and thanks to its ceramic top, it can easily be cleaned. It's great for students or singles, or just if you don't have enough space for an entire hob, then this will do you just fine. Oh, and one last thing, banana for scale. Don't leave your bananas on there. So there you have it, the Klarstein VariCook Induction double hob. Enjoy.